So sleep problems didn't leave me alone during my California adventure, unfortunately. In fact, the added jet lag probably made them a bit worse. But I definitely have better views to enjoy during my very early rises. On this occasion, I grabbed my blog camera, tripod and travel bag of beauty products and headed outside into the Joshua Tree Desert. So it's 5:30 in the morning. I've decided to get up and watch the sunset, or the sunrise rather, because I wasn't sleeping anyway. I thought, this is my second to last morning here at Joshua Tree, so I wanted to make the most of it. It's so beautiful out here. So the animal's waking up as well. I'm not sure what animal it is, but it's like something a bit squeaky. Keeps going. So I don't know what that is, but it's cute. It's a really nice temperature right now, not too hot. Nice breeze. There's some people up. I see some lights on in some of the houses, so I'm not the only one. Oh, it's so cool. I thought I'd show you my very easy, natural, glowy day makeup that I wore most of the time on holiday. All vegan and cruelty-free products, of course. Apparently I'm very tasty. You saw what happened to me in LA. So this incognito insect spray got a lot of use in Joshua Tree. I use this MyShelf sunscreen factor 28 on my body. It's reef safe and I didn't burn once on the holiday. I've had 5 dye jobs out of this £5 Allure brow kit this year. This took a bit of getting used to as a product, but great for just thickening my brows a bit. This is really good at calming down those angry breakouts or those really like pulsating blemishes we sometimes get. This Granactive Retinoid in Squalene, is that how you say it? I don't know. Is one of the best things I've ever tried. Great for fine lines and general skin unevenness, which I have plenty of. And I'm pretty sure my pores at least appear a bit smaller now too. The scent of these balms really helps me stay a bit calmer, I believe, and they're really good before bedtime. The sun cream for the face that didn't make me break out. Yeah! Actually a really great primer too. Makes you really nice and matte and smooth. Don't forget the neck like I always do. You don't want to have the lines like I have. The evidence of tiredness that is around my eyes makes me feel a little self-conscious, and makeup doesn't cover it, but this product is great for a temporary fix if, like me, you don't want to do anything invasive. When my skin's going through a good phase and quite clear, I want to show it off and just let it breathe. This helps to even it out, but looks like you're wearing absolutely nothing. One of my fave summer products of 2018. Not for those looking for a full or medium coverage though. I used some Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation, which is very thick and rich, as a concealer for my red bits around the nose and, you know, just those other small blemishes you have on the face. I usually go for an ashy or cooler contour, but on holiday I wanted that warmer, glowier, bronzier look, so this shade from the 4-shade contour palette by Georgia Asda was ideal. My absolute fave coral blush from Georgia Asda. Looks very pigmented at first, but don't panic. It blends out and fades really nicely. My beloved go-to Georgia Asda highlight palette again, for the usual places. I'm obsessed with it. It's so good for traveling when you have these products that can be used for other things. I love these shimmery highlights on my eyes. Next up, a travel size version of the legendary tattoo liner by Kat Von D. Just for a slim line on the lids, nothing fancy. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara in waterproof is great for sweaty situations, which is most days for me, and days when there's a chance you might end up in the pool. Jump in the pool. Anyone love that Friendly Fire song? Just me? Okay. It's definitely my fave cruelty-free one that I've tried so far, but do let me know if you think there's a better one out there. My lips get so dry in hot weather, they're like flapjacks. So this lip scrub by Nug was a godsend, but it's rather yummy too, which is a nice bonus. Just a bit of Kajal style liner courtesy of Billie Joe Armstrong of Green Day and Kat Von D. I didn't wear it this time, but this got a lot of wear on holiday. It feels really nice on the lips and it's a great natural colour and cheap. So that's about it. Not really a makeup tutorial, more about hopefully showcasing some new cruelty-free products for you to try. Really hope it's helpful, and I hope you enjoyed the setting too. A little bit different, a little bit nicer than my usual. Looper time, when you realise a rocky desert terrain isn't ideal for safe tripod placement. Thanks for watching, see you soon.